I hate doing shit and not perfecting it.
Big boobs. You're so good at that.
Disclaimer. This is not a video to show you how to build a PC. I'm not qualified to show you how to do anything. And with that, this is how not to build a PC. So the case I'm working with is the Fantex Eclipse P300 ATX mid-tower, and these are all the components. For my CPU, I got the AMD Ryzen 5 2600 6-core at 3.4 GHz. The motherboard keeping everything connected is a Gigabyte B450M DS3H Micro ATX AMD motherboard. The card powering the pixels is the Gigabyte Radeon RX 570. For RAM, I have 16 gigabytes of G.Skill Ripjaws V-Series. And for now, I'll be storing everything on this Western Digital 500 gigabyte SSD. And finally, powering the rig, I got the Corsair VS series at 650 watts. So first thing I did was start work on the motherboard. You can't tell, but my hands were shaking at first. The RAM and CPU were the easiest things to install.
I hate doing shit and not perfecting it.
Big boobs.
Anyways, you just saw me panic a little bit because I thought the fan was too big, but eventually I oriented it correctly and got it secured. Don't forget your I/O shield, and don't build a PC in dim lighting.
I literally can't see.
Best tip ever, take apart the whole case before anything. I had trouble navigating the build, and you'll see that throughout this video.
Can I take off this panel? Oh. Can
I couldn't, but I took out a tiny screw that I totally forgot to put back.
I can do it in one day. If anything, I could have been done by now, but I went and did stuff.
That was a lie. I didn't finish even installing the drivers and everything in Windows till the next day. I used the screws from an older computer to screw my motherboard in, by the way, because I literally couldn't find the screws that came with the case at first. Just another reason you should take apart the case first.
There we go. We've opened the beast.
Don't unscrew anything without thinking about how you'll put it back. I took off this hard drive mount for no reason. And with everything installed, I just had the wires to manage. If you really want to know how to properly build a PC, I'd suggest watching TechSource or other YouTube channels out there that have professional people doing these things, and doing a lot more research for yourself. I've been watching people build computers forever, but it's different when you yourself are the handy person behind the ordeal. I think it's best to tinker around because no matter how many videos you watch, it won't amount to the experience you make and learn from firsthand. Thanks for watching. Make sure to roast me down below in the comments section. I'll see you guys later.